you ever seen a book vending machine?
No.
No. You'll come up here and give Miss Melody Abels the special token. I'm going to share with you. Do we all know why Melody Abels is getting the special token?
She reads the 40-book challenge.
Yes, she reached her 40-book challenge. So what do we do with our 40-book challenge? Why is that so important? Maddie?
Because you read a lot of things.
Okay, awesome. You read a lot of books, but what's important about you reading those books? Is it just to read them? Yes. You get smarter. You learn the content in the books, and that helps you become more knowledgeable about the world around you. So we're going to let Miss Ortega. Yes. We're going to. Okay, now Melody, you're going to get this one. Oh, now you get to decide which book you want. Let's put your coin in and you choose the number. Have you chosen one? What number? Okay, hit E8. Ah! There you go.
Melody, can